Canada, to implement updated immigration appeal regulations in January 2023. Starting on January 14, 2023, the Immigration Appeal Division, IAD, will launch new regulations to replace the old rules established in 2002. The new regulations reflect key changes to immigration appeals, including the time limit for submitting an appeal record and disclosing papers supporting an immigration appeal. Introducing these new immigration appeals regulations is intended to modernize the appeal process and guarantee that the IAD handles all matters fairly, justly, and in compliance with existing legislation. Gunnis and Associates have over 28 years of experience in understanding and helping international candidates and their appeals getting resolved in Canada. Our immigration experts have the expertise to examine your case and advise you on the best method of proceeding to best serve your needs. Call us at 416-604-2669. Email info@immigrationmatters.info.